This is where we're sitting.
Hi. This is crazy.
We're Oskar and Dan, two boys from Sweden traveling the world together, trying to see and learn as much as we can. If you've watched our channel before, you've seen us in places like Brazil, Thailand, Uzbekistan, Saudi Arabia, and more. However, it's usually just the two of us.
But when the opportunity presented itself to finally go back to South Korea, a place we lived in 2018 together with our best friends from high school, we simply had to make it happen.
Since Dan's full-time job is basically to find great deals with miles and points, we managed to book 4-point seats in what's arguably the world's best business class from Stockholm to Seoul on Qatar Airways. But the best part was the girls had no idea.
All they knew was that we were going to Korea together. No plan, no flights, no route, no nothing. So we made our way to the airport in Gothenburg, Sweden to meet the girls and slowly revealed to them throughout the day how we were getting to Seoul. So I feel like we need to vlog a little now because things are gonna get very chaotic once we see our friends.
Yes.
We are gonna spend 10 days in Korea. We lived there in 2018 for half a year. This just feels so surreal. We're just excited to show our friends. They don't know our first glamorous airline of the day, so we are about to introduce them. I love that we made you wait anyway. Hello! Welcome home from Arctic.
When you asked me, I was like, should we move? I was saying, so you don't lose me.
We've known Kaisa and Amira for almost 8 years now. It's crazy. We met in high school, and if you remember from last year, we did a whole vlogging trip series with them as we drove around the Balkans.
Are you ready to see the first airline of the day? Let's go. Let's do it.
Walk?
Yeah, we walk. We walk.
This might come as a shock.
Are we actually going to Ryanair?
It starts with glam.
Oh yes, the first flight would be oh so luxurious on good old Ryanair, just to reposition ourselves to Stockholm. From there, we'd get on the first business class flight to Doha in one of Qatar Airways' older cabins before boarding the third and final flight to Seoul in QSuite, the world's best business class. And just to be clear, this video is not sponsored in any way.
So we're starting the day by flying up to Stockholm, very short flight, but since we live in Sweden's second biggest city, we don't really have many direct connections abroad. So Kaisa is now comfortable on camera. Say hi to everyone. Comfortable on camera. Your journey last year went from hi to hello, what are you doing on this camera?
How are you feeling about this exciting flight on Ryanair?
Oh, I'm excited. But are we sitting next to each other?
Are we? Okay, good.
Yeah, everyone in one row.
Oh, then I'm
So
less
that's
excited. Leg one, here we go.
not at all.
Wait, I love the head flick. That was like so glamorous.
Things are gonna go up from here, but they don't know that. We made it!
Oh!
We made it to Stockholm, like one done.
And here starts the real fun.
Woohoo! We have been waiting for this day for so long that we cannot believe it's actually here.
Where are we going, girls?
You tell me. We think we lost the leader. Look at him go. Actually, look at him go, please.
Yeah.
So I've hidden myself in a staircase just to tell you guys a bit what's going on. So we landed in Stockholm 2 hours ago. I booked a very long transit because we didn't want to risk missing anything with all the chaos at European airports right now. So basically what is happening, we are taking them on the world's best business class. If you don't know, I have another channel called Oskar Dan. It's all about airline points and that type of stuff. And there was an opportunity last year in December where I bought several million points in like an hour for very, very cheap, which I'm using to redeem points for all 4 of us to go in business class to Korea. I'm so nervous because I've been looking forward to this so much. Being able to give this to your friends is just the most unbelievably fun thing ever. And yeah, I can't not wait. So right now it's 12:40. We're gonna be leaving for check-in in about 30 minutes. We've just been sitting here and Oskar and I have a lot of work to do. Why the giggles?
There's not a second without it.
No, they don't know what to expect, but things are about to get fun.
Our girls still have no idea, but I think they're suspecting something.
So, okay, I don't know how to reveal it. Like, it's so anticlimactic to just go to a desk. No, let's stand by these machines.
So, how do you girls usually feel about flying?
Feel about it?
Yeah, like how
Yeah.
do you like getting on a plane? Do you like being on the plane? Sorry, I just spat in your face.
How do you feel about flying normally? Like, do you like it? You don't like it?
I like it.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why wouldn't I?
What's been the best flight of your life so far?
Actually,
Yeah.
the bougie ones. Okay, the best flight in my life so far has been the one last year to Zagreb. We went all the four of us.
Oh.
Good
That is a
really.
very good answer.
Just diplomatic answer. Actually, no. Can I honestly answer?
Yeah,
Sorry.
yeah.
No, lie. The best flight has been the one we took today, Ryanair from. Like the
Yeah,
company
yeah,
really
yeah.
makes them.
It does, it does. If we had fun together on Ryanair, what's coming up will definitely be the best flights of your lives.
The cargo hold? Okay. I mean, I've only ever flown economy.
What tells you you're not flying economy now? So let's go. Let's see.
I have an inkling, but I don't want to go. I'd rather have no expectations. Where are we going? Okay.
This way.
We're walking this way.
Privilege Club?
This is gonna be fancy. So we checked in. We couldn't really record this because a Swedish Karen told us off. But this is when the girls found out the airline we were flying on and that we were going in business class.
How lucky we got to have such amazing friends to spoil.
Oh my god, that is not what this video was supposed to be.
They're not paid
But if
actors.
you, I mean, if you're gonna say it,
We're not paid actors.
that's our plane. At this point, Amira managed to figure out part of the secret.
Can you say that again, Amira?
There is something I'm really excited about, and it's the second flight. I know the surprise already, and I cannot wait because I've been dying to experience that.
She has figured it out.
She
I'm proud.
likes airplanes. The thing is that I don't quite know how to be excited because I don't know what to expect. I don't know what I'm excited for because all I know
That makes it even better because it can only be, you know, positive surprise.
Because it's not like I'm not excited. That's not
Yeah.
it. It's more like I don't know what we're doing.
Yeah, exactly.
Amira has an idea. I have
Yeah.
no clue. All I've done is Ryanair with people.
So I just wanted to explain to you guys, we went to Stockholm in March to see a show and we were waiting for the show and we were talking about, okay, like where do we want to take a trip this summer because we had so much fun traveling last summer. Just for fun, I searched, is there any way to possibly fly in my favorite airline and like have them experience it? And the very rare thing that happened was that there were actually 4 seats in business class with points, which like almost never happens in the middle of the summer. It was refundable, so I was just like, book it immediately. So while we were waiting for the show in Stockholm,
That's
I was just like,
crazy.
from the last trip,
It happened
here,
then?
book it. Yeah, so I booked it since then.
What? That's so special.
Now we're here, what is it?
4 months later.
It was in March,
5 months
now it's
later.
August.
Yeah, 5.
Yeah, month 3 to month,
Or just
oh,
miss
month
the
8,
plane
month 8.
doing this.
Let's miss the plane. And then, let's go.
The first flight from Stockholm to Doha would be in a great seat, but still not quite as luxurious as the second flight to Seoul later on. The best part is that this is just the first flight. It's going to be really good, but it's not going to be anywhere near the second flight, hopefully.
Welcome home. This is
This
you.
is where you live. And you disappear.
And you can take this down so you
Wait,
can...
what the heck? This is so crazy.
Okay, so we were all so giddy we almost forgot to record. The girls were really on cloud 9, but I think we were even happier. Kaisa got right to exploring the functions of her seat, while Amira went straight to ordering not 1, but 2 pre-departure drinks.
Amira just ordered a glass of champagne and lemonade. She knows what's up.
The leg room.
Just slide under.
Right into the DM.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, cheers!
It smells so good, right? You just sort of do whatever you want with it. I just smell it. And now comes the forbidden food shop.
This is good footage.
So Amira, would you be a darling and unbox this for me?
Absolutely.
first we unwrap. Then I struggle with it. In here we have fresh body lotion, a generous portion of ice cream, lip balm that I already tried and liked, perfume, which is perfect for the bag, paper, and then we have socks, eye mask. Also, the socks smell like rose. A little unboxing for you.
Oh.
We spent the rest of the first flight watching movies, constantly interrupting each other so we didn't get very far, but we had a lot of fun.
Then it was time for our layover in the lounge at Doha Airport. There was only one small hurdle. Since it was the beginning of August, summer was still blazing in the Arabian Gulf.
We made it. Very matter of fact, we made it. We made it. Actually, I'm really excited to see Kaisa deal with the heat.
Yes.
Not excited.
So Kaisa spends most of the summers on Svalbard, where what's the hottest it gets?
12 degrees?
Oh my god.
That was a heat stroke.
Really? So now it's like 45 outside. We're at a bus gate.
I can't believe it. I kept asking Daniel, I was like, are you sure she said 46, not 36?
Oh my god.
Is this real? This is not the engine?
That was like a spa.
Kaisa's first time in the Middle East.
True. That's great. I know.
Now we're at the iconic site of Doha Airport.
More like a yellow marshmallow? What is this?
It's a teddy bear who has hit
Oh.
a lamp with his head.
Aha.
Next stop is the lounge.
There's a lot to take in. There's so many impressions and the people watching is so good. Like where I come from Svalbard, everyone's just wearing like hike pants and like big backpacks, and now it's just like, it's a smorgasbord of people.
Kaisa was just saying it feels like we're in some sort of bizarre dream, and it really feels like it because it's the middle of the night, it's hot even inside, and we're in this amazing place. So it's like,
I don't even know what to say. Like I feel like I should be like waking up. Why am I doing this? Waking up in a cold sweat on Svalbard any minute.
there's like actual cake at this place.
And my favorite, lemon meringue.
Ooh.
Cheers, you guys.
So the boys with alcohol-free sojeni, the girls with champagne.
Cheers, you need to come to me.
So girls, how was that?
The longest 6 hours of my life in the best way possible. Oh no, I loved it. Another really cozy part was looking over and seeing Daniel and Kaisa and Oskar, and just being next to each other and just ordering things and just being comfortable.
I've never had a flight where I've been like actually stuffed with food and they're like, do you want more? And I'm like, no please.
Take it away.
We get to the lounge and Kaisa's like, I'm not having any more food.
Proceed to eat some hummus.
A genuine Middle Eastern experience, I would say. And now we're really excited for the next flight because it's going to be even better, and I genuinely cannot wait. Like, also 8 hours, I wish it's even longer than the 6 we just experienced. I don't even want to get to Seoul anymore.
I cannot believe we're going to Korea now. Next stop, when we get off the plane, we'll be in Korea.
Exciting times.
I can't believe we're actually going to Korea.
Yeah.
It's felt so off limits for so long, and it still kind of feels like it. So I'm like, is this happening?
This way, darling.
That way. Oops. I'm sitting here.
This is where we're sitting.
This is when we truly landed in the lap of luxury. And not only that, but this specific seat has a layout that couldn't be more perfect for a group of 4 like us.
This seat can turn into a 4-person apartment so that the 4 of us got our private space and could see each other at all times. How crazy and perfect is that? We were literally so overjoyed just sitting there laughing and soaking everything in. You have your own little cubicle.
Are you kidding me?
No, and you haven't even seen the best part yet.
Wait, what?
Kaisa, look at this. Wait for it.
Reuniting again.
Thank you so much.
Oh my god, dude.
Welcome to our apartment.
Apartmani!
These seats were made for us.
We finally found our real apartmani. If you don't understand, watch the balcony videos.
Hello over there.
The guy who made it happen.
Yeah, honestly. Can we just take a moment to appreciate the 2 smart girls when you were to the friend? Wait, why is my child locked? You know that no one opened it before you.
Yeah, so it's
travel pouch.
You're keeping this, right?
Yeah, this is luxurious. And she goes for the menus.
She's like, let me catch up on the literature.
Let me just read some.
Hi. This is crazy. I'm getting loungewear.
It's from the web company London. So there is lingerie trousers, lingerie top, and a pair of slippers.
Oh my god, it's an actual jersey.
Yeah, it says Qatar
22. I love it. For the red carpet that we're already walking on. Also short sleeves because it's summer.
Yeah.
Oh, girl, it's a sauna, not just a summer.
When we were talking in the lounge before, I would say the nice thing about our friendship group is that it doesn't take a lot to like feel like we're always overjoyed with happiness. It could be a stupid, not stupid. It could be, it could be.
That part is out.
It could be an interesting sentence while playing cards, or it could be this. But like, it's always, I don't know what my point was, but it's always just like, as long as you guys are there.
Oh, Kaisa!
I'm gonna cry, don't it? Cry sweet. I go back there.
This is the cutest thing ever.
Daddy doesn't even.
No, but not only that, you're also matching. Okay, Amira's ready. The bed reveal.
I'm joking. Hey.
Just get in and cuddle.
I won't say no to that.
Aww.
Let me take
This is so cute. Aww.
Dream of your future life, kids.
So we spent about 2 hours just talking and eating dinner before it was 5 a.m. and time to sleep. Oscar's just staring out what little he can see out the
I have like
window.
a tiny. We're landing in Korea.
Kaisa's like, take me home.
It's warm outside.
Should we clap when they land?
I never landed backwards before.
We'll watch the pen. Girls, have you been ruined now?
I think we might have to stay here. I don't really get home. I'd rather swim.
Kaisa doesn't fly economy anymore. Like, I have a new personal policy.
That Ryanair flight seems so long ago.
Hey, Maria.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
very much.
Bye. It was a pleasure.
We made it to Korea. My first time in Korea with the people who live there. I'm so excited.
What a joy it was to share this experience with two of our best friends. This only reaffirmed what we already knew, that it's so much more fun to give gifts than to receive them.
But what we learned this time is that the thing that makes giving gifts even better is when the receiver truly appreciates the gift. We could tell that Kaisa and Amira were genuinely in awe of the experience and were appreciating every second on those 2 flights.
Guys, we love and appreciate you so much. Thank you for watching this very special video. Our next one will be from our time in Korea with the girls, one of our best trips in a long time. We can't wait to share it with you, and until then, see you around the world.